give you a high.
You want high?
You ready?
Oh, you're gonna fly high.
1, 2, 3.
Oh wow, Jelana. Oh, that's high. It's daylight. It's it's evening, anak. It's evening here. Oh, you're watching Joe. Baywatch. Baywatch. Where's the Baywatch girl? Okay, try it again. Baywatch. Baywatch is those beautiful girls. They're rescuer. Baywatch. Baywatch. They're life saver. Baywatch. But they're beautiful girl.
What?
Baywatch. Baywatch. Daddy's seen it falling.
Hey, you got water in my shoe. I'm going to call it first splashing. Jolene likes the water.
I know, that's good. Baywatch. I know.
Mom can't
I can do it. That's why I said you're a Baywatch girl.
You ate all the candy.
Okay, let me see now. Are you doing that? You okay? Yeah, it's sunny here. Sunny and hot. But it's not as sunny as not hot as the lower 48. Lower 48 is really hot. Right, Jelana? We're lucky. Oo, Princess Joy. Bata pa kasi. Yeah, 7:20 p.m. Heather, hi. It's 7:24 now. Oh. Give some to Julie na now. Mm-hmm. Oh, where did you guys? Heather, where did you guys from? It's 7:25 here.
Oh, can I sit on this one? That's the big one.
Mama.
Anong may bugas? May momo?
Mama. Mommy, hi. Mom.
Where are you? Oh, together? I like that. I like that together. Oh, it's 7:25 here.
Hey, Thomas.
Oh.